Okay. We got pine powder, we got blanca, and we got foca. Get over here. Hola, hola. Es un poquito de todo. Tiene lavandería, de lavandería tiene líquidos de todo, líquido, jabón, tiene combo de recycle de pino, polvo de pino, reciclable de pino, y tiene Blancanieves y foca. Un poquito de todo. Línea abierta si quieren añadir más cosas, líquido o polvo. De nada. Thank you, Abby. This is getting pretty thick. Very thick. That was one can. That's one more. A pine recycle. Don't forget, if you add, you get a free product with your combo, liquid or powder. Or if you get to 25K, we can add something. I will add something for you all. This is Maria's combo it's been Maria's combo for the past hour, but you can add if you want. We still have some recycled pine oil. This is pine powder right here on top of this, layered. This is straight from the pine bucket. We have 3 more to add, and we have like half a bag of the blanket to add too. Maria, are you in here? You're asleep. Did you fall asleep, friend? Texture is so pretty. Okay. You're so quiet. No, it's not pink. It's like gray. It's not pink. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I know you're relaxed. No, it's not pink. Yes, I know. Blanca's going in now. It's getting a little thick, so I'm gonna try to do my squeezes, okay? We still have 3 more cans to add. I always lose count. Everything, all the liquid has gone in. Everything has gone in. So yeah. We have big liquids too if anybody likes big jugs. We have a big fabric softener for, we have 2 of those. Suavitel, a big Suavitel. The liquids, some of the liquids are posted on my page if somebody wants to find out what I have, want to know what I have. You can go check it out, or I can show you or tell you what I have. Laundry powders. The big bags are 7, and then the smaller ones are 5. The liquids are 5. I have Charisma liquid, Charisma powder. I have an Ariel. I have dang, this turned like gray. It's like gray. No, it's not all laundry. It's got a couple of cans of recycled powder. So we mixed it up tonight. We always do just laundry, but tonight it's mixed. Started with sote flakes. So there's sote flakes in here. It looks kind of with clumps in it or kind of yucky. It's the sote flakes. Yes, it's really good. You're welcome to add. I have liquids laundry, or I have a couple of powders left. Recycle cans are $2. I don't have fresh powder tonight. Thank you, Abby. It's getting a little bit thick. Up $2 liquids. The color's so pretty. See how this is sote flakes. Hi, Nicole. Welcome in. Oh my gosh, you have charisma flakes? Oh my goodness, I cannot get a hold of charisma flakes. Now, I saw the big charisma liquid laundry, the big jug. It's expensive. I haven't bought that, but I cannot get a hold of the flakes. I don't know. I mixed my flakes in here. I mean, you can mix it with anything. They're gonna melt with the hot water, so you're gonna be okay. Even if you use it to clean with, they're gonna melt anyway, so you're good. I want to get flakes so bad, but I still can't find them. They're almost here because they have everything of charisma here already. And yes, it is. It sounds about right. They're expensive now. Yes. Even the sote flakes went up. I was like, what? Yes. Sounds about right. You're lucky. I should try the flea market, but it's too cold now to go to the flea market. So yeah, I'll just wait till they bring it out at the store. So what you see in here, it is the sote flakes. I do have laundry powder, Nicole. I have an Ariel. I have a, let me go check real quick, because